Hi guys, thought I'd just share a little haul from Reverse Garbage. If you've been with my channel for a while, you know that I love op shopping, but even more, I love going to Reverse Garbage. And that's, what do they call it? They call it a creative reuse centre or something like that. But all it is, it's a recycle shop for, you know, industrial discards and all that sort of stuff. And if you want to know more about it, I'll put the link to their website in the comments box below. But yeah, if you're in Sydney, head down to Marrickville, Reverse Garbage. You find the most random things. You could come across anything there, honestly. You never know what you'll find. But a few weeks ago I went there and I found 4 boxes, and I bought all 4 boxes of these brown crafty envelopes, and they're that nice thick brown craft paper, and they're in the coin envelope style. So instead of the horizontal opening, they've got the vertical. Now, the only reason I wanted to show these on video is it's easier to show and explain than in words in a comment box on my Etsy listing. Is there is a little defect. So you may be able to see that little dot there and that little dot there. And that's because when they're closed, just that tiny little bit there is stuck together and you have to lift them up. So see that? It's not stuck in any spot except like a tiny little dot there in the middle of the envelope. So all I've been doing is just sliding a nail under. And look, you're probably a lot more gentle than I am. I'm a bit rough and ready. Yeah, see that one I didn't do very nice. But I knew this at the time I bought them, that they were stuck like that. But I kind of didn't care because, you know, they're for junk journals. So it just leaves a little mark like that. Which doesn't bother me because who cares? They're going in junk journals anyway. Apart from that, they're so gorgeous. I really love them. Anyway, when I sell them in my Etsy shop, I'm going to leave them closed like that. So you're going to have to lift them up just because I got so many. I really don't want to have to sit there and lift all the flaps up on them. I'll leave that to whoever buys them. But anyway, what was I going to say? Also, in this box, let me show you. There's 500 in a box, and I bought 4 boxes. Yeah, I know, I've got issues. So I'm going to alter some. I haven't had time yet, but I also want to put some in my Etsy shop to get rid of them. I think I enjoy finding stuff for other people to use when making their journals more than I enjoy making the journals myself, to be honest. I just love knowing that these are being rescued somewhere, and by someone purchasing these from my Etsy shop, they're using something that was discarded. I mean, they're new, but they would have been discarded over something that you buy brand new, if that makes sense. Because every time you buy brand new, you create more demand. These have already been purchased, I suppose, but at least you're using something that's already out there than, you know, more getting made. Anyway, I usually put these in my shop in packs of 10. Well, I usually put everything in packs of 10 just for ease. But since I have so many of these, I think I'll put them in packs of 15, 50 and 100. That way you can purchase a couple, or you can purchase, you know, more if that's what you want. I suppose it depends what project you're doing. If you have an Etsy shop yourself and you like to make handmade ephemera for journals, then yeah, maybe you'd want 100 instead of 15 or 10. So I will put 15, 50 and 100, I think, at this stage. But if you want a different quantity, just message me through Etsy. And yeah, I'm pretty easygoing. I'll do whatever. Doesn't worry me. And if you've made it this far, I've got a little sneaky giveaway. Okay, but you're going to have to work for it again. I'm going to give away, I'll do two packs of 10. And if you can be bothered, all you have to do, we're going right back to the beginning again. Okay, so you have to go back to, it's the second video I ever posted. Oh, that was 8 months ago. Oh my God, I can't believe it's 8 months ago. I know some of you that have been on YouTube forever probably think 8 months ago, but for me it feels so long ago now. Anyway, go to my second video, and that video, I think it was called Floral Themed Traveler's Notebook Junk Journal, made from rescued sofa material or something like that, but it's the second video. You'll see two videos with similar names, a part 1 and part 2. So it's the second video, not the third video. And you have to answer these 3 questions in that video. So don't come back and answer it in this video, or you won't be in the giveaway. Answer it in that video, okay? So 3 questions. So you're going to have to watch the video to find out the answers, unless you've watched it before and you know the answers. Lucky you, you don't have to sit through another 15 minutes of me. Actually, I don't know. I don't think that video is that long. It might be 10, 12 minutes. Okay, so the first question is, what don't I like the feel of? So what don't I like the feel of? Second question is, what did I find a box of in my grandmother's veranda? And the third question, what type of paper did I say was so cool? I don't know how paper can be so cool, but I did say that paper was so cool. And I actually watched that video this morning so I could come up with 3 questions because I couldn't remember what I said in there. And I do sound very slow, but I think I and more now than I did back then. Anyway, I think I'm going to and forever anyway. That's just how I speak. So, what don't I like the feel of? What did I find a box of in my grandmother's veranda? And what type of paper did I say was so cool? So all you need to do, answer those 3 questions in the second floral themed traveler's notebook video. Sorry, the second video I ever posted. So that was part 1 of those floral themed journals. Answer them in that video, and I'll draw a winner, I don't know, in 1, 2, 3 days when I get to it. I never give a close date because I don't want to be held to that date. In a couple of days anyway. And yeah, I'll send, you can be international, that's okay. So 10 of these little coin envelopes. I'll draw 2 lots, I'll say. And that's it. Thank you for watching.